Have you ever wondered where the gas used in our kitchen cylinders comes from? LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, is not found directly in cylinders in nature. It is produced during the processing of crude oil and natural gas. Let's understand how LPG is created. LPG mainly comes from two sources: crude oil refining and natural gas processing. When crude oil is extracted from underground reservoirs, it is transported to oil refineries. At the same time, natural gas extracted from gas fields also contains gases that can be converted into LPG. Inside a refinery, crude oil is heated in a distillation column. This separates the oil into different components based on their boiling points. Lighter gases rise to the top of the column. Among these gases are propane and butane. These two gases are the primary components of LPG. In natural gas processing plants, raw natural gas contains methane, propane, butane, and other gases. Special separation techniques remove propane and butane from the mixture. These gases are then purified and prepared for LPG production. Propane and butane gases are compressed under moderate pressure. This compression converts them into liquid form, which makes them easier to store and transport. The liquid LPG is then filled into cylinders, tankers, or storage tanks for distribution. So, LPG used in our homes is carefully produced from crude oil refining and natural gas processing, making it a clean and efficient fuel for everyday use.